Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're finally doing it, the brand new headlight install on my Kawasaki Vulcan S. Welcome to my Uncle Phil's garage. So, we've removed the factory headlight and come up with a drawing and a plan of what we're going to do in order to manufacture a small bracket to fit my new headlight. But yeah guys, you haven't even seen the new headlight, so let's get to that right now. This is right here guys, it's actually a Jeep Wrangler light. Now it looks kind of small here next to me, but keep in mind guys, I am 2 meters tall way up here, so it's actually quite a significant size. So today's video is actually part 1 of a 2-part series. We're not actually going to finish it today because Michael does need to take some of the stuff he's making into his workplace to finish that off, but we've got a plan and things are in motion. We'll see what we can do today. Alright, let's get into the video. So we finished for the day. We managed to get quite a bit done. We attempted first of all to make our first bracket out of steel here. We're still going to do that out of steel. We just don't have the right equipment to get the bends we need in the steel here in Michael's workshop. He does have that at his work of course. So throughout this week he's going to get these sorted and yeah, hopefully we'll be able to put the whole thing together next week. Right there at the end you saw us starting to machine up our new brackets. Those are the side mounting brackets that will mount onto the side of the light on either side, here and here. So those are underway and the brackets are underway. Hopefully throughout this week Mike will be able to get it done. I just want to say a huge thank you Uncle Phil for sorting this all out for me. It's been awesome. You guys can actually see the Bahrain mirror spaces that my uncle designed for me in my previous mod update video. I'll just bring that up for you guys up here on the top right, or is it up here? I don't know, one of them. It'll be up here somewhere, one of these corners. But yeah. Guys, that has been the video today. Hope you've enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 2, which will be the installation of the finished bracket and the headlight. As always guys, have fun, stay young, and peace.